Tongue scraping is one of the 5 Dinacharya routines used in Ayurveda to cleanse the tongue, the organ of taste connected to the water element. Tongue scraping has so many benefits. It helps to aid with digestion. It helps to relieve ama, toxins from the body, relieving bacteria from the surface of the tongue. It also helps with relieving bad breath. Tongue scraping is a practice that you can do in the morning. You can do twice a day as well. I like to start my day by scraping my tongue, then brushing my teeth, and then doing oil pulling, daily swish. So to scrape your tongue, you start by holding your tongue scraper from the base and inserting the tongue scraper in the mouth until you reach the base or the edge of the tongue. And then we scrape the tongue. You don't have to be too gentle. Scrape the tongue and wash it. Each time you scrape the tongue, make sure you wash it in the sink. And you can do this up to 7 times. You do this on an empty stomach, and then you can brush your teeth and do your oil pulling. Of course, some people like to start with brushing teeth and then do the tongue scraping. That's totally fine. Now, if you look at my tongue scraper compared to a brand new tongue scraper, the color is very different. When you buy a new copper tongue scraper, it's beautiful and shiny, but then when it's used, it becomes like this. The color changes. So that's very normal and very natural. And it's a nice color. Some people like this vintage color. So don't worry if your tongue scraper changes color, that's totally fine.